안녕하십니다. 제 이름은 캐리비 마글라케입니다. 저는 PDLEHE3A에서 왔습니다. 오늘은 한국의 가치와 경험에 대해 하겠습니다.
Korea is located between China and Japan. It is connected to China in the north. Korea is a divided country, the north part, which is the communist, and South Korea is a democratic country. Korea has its unique culture, character, clothing, and food that separate from other countries nearby Korea. Diligent and hard work, filial piety, and humbleness are the characteristics respected by Koreans. They are proud of their unique traditional culture and their economic success within the short period of time. Education is very important in Korean society. Education is considered as a way of successful life. It is known to see little children spend all day at school and have multiple tutors. Junior high school and high school students stay at school for more than 12 hours is also a norm in South Korea. Koreans are very proud of their nationality because they value their rich achievements. It was a valuable result of their hard work. This pride gives Korean a powerful and positive identity. It is a norm that Koreans regularly criticize and discuss of other society, but it's not acceptable for them to hear critics from other foreign people. Gibbon. This is related to feeling, emotion, and state of mind. It is hurting someone's ego or dignity when someone's gibbon is hurt. It is difficult to describe gibbon in English. Having harmonious atmosphere is more valuable than achieving immediate goals. Koreans are not pleased with telling absolute truth if that is going to hurt someone's gibbon. Koreans think that achievement without hurting someone's gibbon is a true achievement. That is why it is very important to Koreans to develop interpersonal skills that can avoid hurting someone's gibbon and keeping their gibbon pleasantly. Nunchi. This is very important in Korean society. This is the way of assessing somebody's gibbon. This can be done by observing body language, sight, listening to the tone of voice, and connotation. Most of the time, Koreans speak indirectly, so it is very important to notice the real meaning. A status is very important to Koreans. Their speech reflects the hierarchical relationship between people. It doesn't show much when a conversation is made between close friends. It is a norm to be very careful and humble when a Korean interacts with social superiors. However, they are very friendly and outgoing when they are with their friends or equal social status. Koreans in a big city tend to be rude to strangers because they are too busy and self-centered. Koreans believe ancestors are protecting their family's welfare. It is very important to keep their ancestors' Memorial Day. Ancestors are based on the male family line. It is common when parents teach their children that they cannot repay their debt to their parents. It is more important to worship their ancestor several times a year, especially on a Chuseok and New Year's Day. They have ancestral ceremonies for previous generation. However, it is mostly done by Korean women, especially daughter-in-laws. Traditionally, men are not allowed in kitchen because Korean mothers in general are not pleased when their son help their wife cook and wash dishes. The family is very important part of Korean life. Family needs are more important than the individual needs. The Korean culture is highly patriarchal. Fathers are responsible for their families and must be honored, obeyed, and respected. Fathers must approve the marriages of the family members. Even ancestral fathers are honored. The custom is called filiopity, and even today elements of it remain among Koreans. The eldest male sits down, eats, and drinks before anyone else starts. The eldest son has special duties. First to his parents, then to his brothers, from older to younger, then to his son, then to his wife, and lastly to his daughters. Parents work very hard to provide the very best education possible for their children. One reason for this is because parents usually rely on their children for support after retirement. In Korea, traditional gender roles are socialized into the children starting at the early age. Therefore, the parents feel that it is more important to see that their sons get the best education before their daughters. In Korean society, these gender differences usually allow the women to be more of a free spirit than the men. There are still a lot of things to learn about South Korean culture, but remember, We, Filipinos, also have our unique culture that makes us stand out among the rest. So be proud and embrace our own. This is Kelly. Annyeonghigasamnida. Kamsahamnida.